Hi, welcome back. I'm just doing some work on my chum's race car, putting a new front bumper on, so I just thought I'd show you a little bit of what I'm doing on it. So this is his race car. This is a front bumper that he bought online. I'll put the name of the bumper in the comments, so if you want to get the same bumper for your race car, you can. So the bumper's pretty good. I still gotta finish welding the plates on solid here. I just have them tacked. I got down there welded solid all the way across, so we can start getting the steering box back in place. And I still gotta finish my welds all the way up and over on both sides of the plate, and then going through the frame. We cut some 1/2 inch thick weld pipe, and we drilled it out, shoved the pipe all the way through, and then welded the pipe on both sides. And then when we fit the bumper on, and then we welded just a couple tacks on the nut and on the washer, so if you ever strip the threads, it won't be too bad to cut it off and get a new one there. But when the nose cone's on, it's very hard, almost impossible to reach. So we figured we'd weld some nuts on just to make our lives easier. And then same thing with the top. And we got that plate going all the way on both sides of the frame. So that's pretty solid. Same thing on this side. The way the brake lines run, that's why we cut that plate a little bit differently. And then it's going to be the same thing on this side. We're going to weld everything up. On this one here, we didn't put a washer there because the power steering box is very close, or the steering box is very close to the nut. So we didn't have really much clearance, and we wanted to have a little bit of space. So he wanted to go with a off-the-shelf bumper, so if he ever wrecks, it's just a quick phone call or an online order, and he can get a new one on. So one of the reasons we had to do these spacers, the bumper is actually wider than the frame, and we want to be able to just get a new one in a pinch and put it on without having to modify it. So that's why we have the spacers. If these spacers ever get bent in a crash, just have to cut them off flush, and then cut new little spacer chunks and just slip them on when we're doing the bolts. So it won't be too bad. There'll probably be some more race car content. I'll probably go on pit crew for him a little bit too. So this should be pretty good. And the Claro Garage is going to be going on this car somewhere. We're not sure where yet, but we're going to have the Claro Garage on it. This box was just here to protect the windshield while we were grinding. Here's the inside of the car. It's looking pretty awesome. We had to move the steering wheel mount up, so I need to finish welding that too. I just got a couple of tacks on it, but we'll weld that solid. So he just needs a little more clearance. He's a little bit taller than the other guy, and he just needs a little more room to move around. But yeah, that's going to be pretty awesome, to say the least. If you want to see more race car stuff, leave comments saying you want to see more. I'm planning on recording some of the races and posting on the Adventures with Claro Garage. And then if you enjoy seeing race car stuff, we'll do some episodes on whatever needs to be done to the car as it happens, if you want to see that as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this short, quick video. Have a great day.